Alright, now the factory calls for 3M3 bond to seal the split line on the cases. You just simply smear it, just a thin coating on it, and then put the other side of the case on there. I'm not going to do it because I'm really just doing this video to show the disassembly and reassembly of the tensioners. I'm going to rebuild this engine and restore it here coming up pretty soon, and I'll be disassembling it again. So let's put the other half on there and I'll show you the torque pattern. And that's how you do it, folks. Nothing to it. I didn't show removing the flywheels because 98% of Twin-Cam B engines didn't have the Timken bearing setup where you have to flip them over and press it out. But if you do have that, flip them over and press it out. I decided to make this video because one of my viewers had reached out and asked some questions about disassembly of the counterbalancers, and so we went ahead and I thought that maybe other people might have the same questions and they could benefit by viewing this video. So I'm going to end it here. Drink this cold ass beer. See you on the next one.